Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a serious story, one that showed the real problems with crime and illegal immigration in the United States. A Jamaican man with a long history of violence get arrested in Atlanta. Now, his last name is Grant. I'm going to leave the rest of his name out. And his criminal history raised some serious alarm for the law enforcement. Grant get taken in by the U.S. Marshals Service on January 30. Even though him get deported enough times over the years, him still managed to come back to the United States and continue to commit serious crimes. It's important to understand how a man with such a record can slip through the cracks repeatedly. In 2024, them released him from custody after him served time for him past crimes. When him come out, him was supposed to be on probation and did supposed to follow strict mandatory rules. Unfortunately, Grant never adhered to the rules them put in place to protect the public. Him failure lead the U.S. Marshals to take over him case, and this result in him arrest without any trouble. Make we take a deeper look into Grant's long criminal record. It started in 2001 when him get charged for carrying and possessing a gun in public. This charge set the stage for a series of violent offenses. Just a year later, in 2022, Grant faced multiple charges including armed robbery with a firearm, aggravated unlawful use of a weapon, and bank robbery. The seriousness of these crimes can't be overemphasized, showing a dangerous pattern of behavior. In 2023, things get worse when him get charged for conspiracy to commit aggravated bank robbery and use a firearm during a crime of violence. The actions of Grant not only put the lives of the victims at risk, but also endangered the whole community, the whole area, the whole county, and if not the whole America. Then 2006 arrest as a deportable alien show how unsettling the situation is. Even after him order to leave the country, him still come back and continue him life of crime. Fast forward to 2022. The cycle continue with him arrest for illegal re-entry after being removed. During this arrest, him also get charged for possession of firearm or knife during a felony, possession of a controlled substance with intent to distribute, and possession of some other form of drugs. Now, in 2023, the record just get worse as him get charged again with gun-related offenses. This ongoing saga, I bring up the question, how come somebody like Grant can escape the consequences of his action time and time again? U.S. Marshal makes a strong statement about Grant's arrest that resonate with many concerned citizens. Him talk, let the message reach all criminals, both foreign and domestic. If you do harm to the citizens of the United States, you won't get a moment for rest. You won't find no shelter. If you come into the country to cause trouble, you will get caught and face the music of your crime. This case serves as a reminder of the challenges where law enforcement face in maintaining public safety. It's crucial for them to work together to make sure people with such violent history don't find no refuge in the US. And that is very bad for Jamaica when them come here and them do all sort of crimes. And this boy was lucky to keep getting a second chance, and him never take it. Him keep coming back into the country and doing the same thing. And now, what is going to happen when them send him home? He's going to be problem to the people in Jamaica and the government of Jamaica. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. This is an important story, and it's an important lesson to those who feel said about going at the business of crime. If you find this video informative, please subscribe to the channel for more updates and stories like this. See you in my next video.